Hello Year 5. So today we're going to be putting all of that knowledge that we have gained over the past couple of days together, and I'm going to have a mixture of questions today to be converting these units of time. Okay, so first of all, quick recall as we do every single session. As a little starter warm-up, I'd like you to tell me the answers to 7 days, how many weeks does that equal? 48 hours, how many days does that equal? 3 hours, how many minutes is that? And 1 minute 30 seconds, how many seconds is that? Okay, pause the video, have a quick go. Right, seeing as though quite a few of you enjoyed finding this yesterday, I've brought back the two crewmates, the red and the blue crewmate, and I would like you to tell me who the imposter is today. Now, yesterday, a lot of you sussed out which was the imposter, and now I would like you to find out which one is our imposter today. So we have red and we have blue. Can you tell me which one is incorrect? So pause the video, check the facts, and then write a little sentence for me explaining which one is incorrect. Okay, so quick recap of the conversions that we have looked at these past few days. So we've got weeks to days, years to months, days to hours, months to years, hours to minutes, and minutes to seconds. Again, pause the video for me and have a go at these questions. When you post it onto Dojo, I will be able to see that you have absorbed all that knowledge from this week. Some of you have been absolutely amazing at these conversions this week and have done it so quickly. It's really amazed me. So, I want to see how much you can remember in this time. So pause the video, have a go at this, and I shall see your recap conversions when you post it onto Dojo. Okay then, moving on to today's yellow and green and blue questions. I mixed it up a little bit today. So for this one, you've got to match the equivalent duration, so which ones match together, and the same again for these ones. True or false here, I want you to tell me if they do equal the same amount of time. If not, show me and show me why they don't. Here, I've got sort these into ascending. Now, we should remember what ascending means, but if not, I can clear that one up. So ascending means from the smallest to the largest, okay? So if ascending means smallest to largest, then descending means largest to smallest, okay? So it's the other way around. So if you pop those into those orders for me, that'd be brilliant to see. Well done to those people that started on the yellow and going all the way through to blue and being really dedicated and making sure they get an extra practice in. It's really nice to see. So big thumbs up to you guys. On the green, we have, just move this one out of the way. On the green, we have, again, equivalent times, a little bit more difficult numbers to deal with for this matching the equivalent times. Again, a true or false, you've got to tell me if it is equal or not. Number 3, they're going in descending. So again, you should remember from me just saying on the yellow page what descending means. I hope you were listening. And then here, I want you to move on to using a STEM sentence. Now, greens, you are going to start using some more reasoning questions on your pages because you guys are getting onto the blues, and to be able to get on the blue, you need to be able to explain your answers. It is a very key skill to have when it comes to maths, okay? So you need to explain how you know who is correct. Then onto the blue page. We have got some durations of films to see if you can tell me if Noah has correctly worked this out. If he hasn't, tell me why. Again, explaining means that you must use a STEM sentence. I'm sure the people at school are getting me sick of me saying this as well, but we need to make sure we are using them. Then number 2, again, you are explaining. Number 3, you are having to problem solve. So you are having to change your answers into the same conversion time. So you might want to put them all into seconds. You might want to put the seconds into minutes. However you find easiest, just so you can answer this question to see who won the race. Now, did I win the race at 4 minutes 8 seconds? Did Miss P win the race at 252 seconds? Or did Mrs. Meads win the race Who knows? But the question asks you to tell me who finishes last. So you need to put us in first, second, and third order, and then whoever is last is the answer to your question. And then number 4 is a mastery test-based question, and I would like to see some of us who have managed all these other mastery questions to have a go at this, okay? It is quite tricky. There could be different dates, but you could maybe ask mums, dads, siblings to help you out if you are struggling. But I look forward to seeing some people having a go at these questions.